The last of human mold, who shall creation's death behold, as Adam saw her prime. The sun's eye had a sickly glare, the earth with age was wan. The skeletons of nations were around that lonely man. Some had expired in fights, the brands still rusted in their bony hands. In plague and a famine some, earth's cities had no sound nor tread, and the ships were drifting with the dead to shores where all was dumb. Prophet like that lone one stood, with dauntless words and high, that shook the sere leaves from the wood as if a storm passed by.